Hey guys, Jermaine Morgan here. This video is going to be somewhat different. In this video, I want to demonstrate something to you guys. I'm not going to necessarily be the one that demonstrates it today because I'm going to bring my guy, Tomek, around to do this. Many of you guys who are new to me, you might not know this, but if you've been around with me for a little while, you know I've been making bass jam play-alongs for you bass players free right here on YouTube for some time, for years actually now. A lot of gospel tracks, a lot of bass jam tracks in general. So I started making these gospel bass jam packs on my actual site, and I made them available for you guys to purchase and to jam out to. And these have the sheet music, the tab, all of that type of stuff. But Tomek has been the guy who has been transcribing this material for me for several years now. And Tomek is also a great player, but what I wanted to show you in this as you watch this, Tomek's number one genre is not this style of music, but he did a great job playing this music and transcribing my actual bass line. So the things that you will hear him play, he's playing almost verbatim to the things that I played in the pack, and that's what's transcribed out, and that's what he's playing. So I want you to take a listen, check him out. If you want to know more about how to get this pack, the Contemporary Gospel Bass Jam Pack, I'll put the link in the description as well in the comments below. So be sure to leave a comment, show Tomek some love. I'll also put a description, his channel, where you can go follow him on YouTube as well, because he's always uploading some great content. All right, so you guys check that out. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll see you on the next video. I'm out.
Mm-hmm.